Hi guys! Hi, I'm Rupal and welcome to my channel Rup's Book Love. So today we are going to talk about where to find books at reasonable rates in India. Yes, many of you have asked me that where do I buy books and how do I read? Well, actually I like to read online copies, so I'm comfortable with the ebooks, but there are many people who want books, but that should be at a reasonable rates.
Anywhere you go, give it all.
Now, the major problem in buying book can be, either finances, because if you're a college student or in school, then it would be very tough for you to ask money to buy a book, which you don't even know whether you are going to like it or not. So, it is very important to find places where you can buy the books at reasonable rates. The second important thing is, as I said, what if you don't like the book? It is important that being a reader, you need to like the book, and every reader does not like every book. So there are times when you buy a book but you don't like it, so you shift it to your DNF shelf. But then what about the cost that you have paid for the book? So you have to make sure that you have got the book at a reasonable rate so that you can overcome the cost even if you do not like the book. And the third important reason is, what if you like the book so much that you want to have a hardcover book for that? Yes, there are many readers whom I have seen, they have a paperback and then they like the story, they like the book, so they want to shift to hardcover. Well, hardcovers are quite expensive, so it is important for you to understand that what are you buying the book for? Are you going to keep the book? Are you going to pass it on to a friend? Or are you going to make your own library or any such things? So for all these reasons, it is very important to understand the importance of book and how much are you going to spend on these books. So yes, there are many nice firms and you can buy from Amazon and Flipkart and everything, but those books are quite expensive, so you would need some ways in which you can buy the books at a very reasonable cost.
Anywhere you go, give it all.
So the first website that I'm going to recommend is Chapter One Books. Well, it is quite famous in India because all the stores, all the physical outlets, all the online outlets have very few provision for providing the books that are written by foreign authors. I like to read foreign authors more, so what happens is I do not usually find those books in the local stores. So you can go on to Chapter One. That is a very good website and they have different books. Well, I was doing some research for this video and I found my favorite book, When Stars Collide by Suzanne Philip on it, and the book is going to release after a month, but they have already started procuring the book and you can advance order it. So it is a very good website. It provides all the books, all the famous books, all the upcoming books and everything. Yes, if you want to know where do we get this book, then I am going to make a video on that. How do you get the bookish knowledge? So yes, the website provides all such books. Moreover, they have different sales, hardcover sales, book bundle sales, and lock the sale and everything. These such sales they have, and the sales have a specific time. They promote these things on their Instagram page, and based on that you can follow the page and you can understand the sales and you can order your book based on that. They also provide some stationeries and some the gifts thing which you might like. You can check out the website. The only drawback is the books are available at MRP, so the foreign author books are quite expensive compared to Indian standards, and it may happen that you might not be able to buy a book. But again, this is a suggestion for a person who wants to read a book which is not easily available in the local stores, so you can just check out the website. I am going to give all the links of the website that I am discussing in the description below.
Anywhere you go, give it all.
The second important website that I have seen in India is the Big Book Box. Now the only problem is that the Big Book Box do not provide the option of selecting the book. They have started incorporating this option recently, but again the books are quite expensive because they are international authors. And yes, they have a book box thing where there are 3 options in the book box: frappe, cafe and mocha. leading to 1 book, 2 book and 3 book respectively. You can order this box. They are not giving just the book, but they also provide some gifts and some different bookmarks, some accessories, pins, badges and stuff like that, which are quite good for your collection if you are into Bookstagram photography. But the only problem is that they do a very late delivery. Like if I say I have ordered the April box and this is June, it has been over 1.5 months, but I have not yet received my box. They promise that they will deliver it, and I do believe that they will deliver it. From some of the friends I have heard that they do deliver the box, but they are a bit late. So if you want to wait, then this is the best thing that you can order. But yes, it focuses more on fantasy and YA genre, so if you are comfortable with it, then you can go check out the website and understand the process of ordering it.
Anywhere you go, give it all.
Okay, now let's get back to the regular reasonable price books in India. So that would be the first website that I'm going to discuss is Kitabe.com. Kitabe.com is a random website that I found through Instagram, and they were loading some mystery box sale. So I participated in that sale. There are 3 different size of boxes with 10 books, 15 books and 20 books, which are available at very reasonable rates. The rates are so reasonable that each book you will get below 100 rupees. So it is a nice way, but the mystery book has a problem that the books will be selected by the store people. So whatever the Kitabe bookstore is offering you, you will have to buy those. But yes, those are good books in a good condition, maybe used books, but you can have that for a while. They are also providing academic books, but I don't think anybody over here is interested in academic books. And the other thing is they are having different sections based on the genre, and they are giving different books at the MRP or maybe lower than MRP price when they are second-hand books. It is a good thing. I just ordered the box. I have got the box. I am going to line up the video in next week, so you can see what books I have got in the mystery box from Kitabe.com.
Anywhere you go, give it all.
Another website is 99bookscart.com. This website also I found through Instagram. I have not ordered this, but I am going to order a mystery box, a surprise box in this month. They are providing a surprise box which is same 10 books, 15 books, 20 books, and it is also at a very reasonable rate. But then you have to trust them because they are going to pick up the books and put it in your surprise box. Other than that, they have a 99 store where you can find a wide range of books at ₹99. And they also provide books for kids, which is the part I liked. Even kids are having a surprise box, so you can give somebody the surprise box. And the website is a good thing. Let me order from this website, and then I'll share a video about it.
Anywhere you go, give it all.
Another website is bookchore.com. I have not yet tried bookchore.com. It provides fiction, non-fiction, children books, academics books, everything. It does not have any surprise box or anything. You just have to go to the website, browse through it and order the books that you like, add to cart and then order. They are providing both Indian author and foreign author books, so you will have a wide range of selection that is possible through the website. I am going to order from that also. Yes, hopefully every month I plan to order these things. So yes, I'll put a video about it.
Anywhere you go, give it all.
Another website is usedbookfactory.com. This website has specifically specified that they provide second-hand books, and all the books are available on the website, and you can browse through the books. You can order any book that you like. They provide academic, kids, and fiction, non-fiction, and also they provide a surprise box. The only added feature in this is in the surprise box you can select the genre that you want to order, and based on that you can place your order. I have seen the review and I like the reviews. I am waiting for some of my Instagram friends to order first so that I would know about it, that how is this thing.
Anywhere you go, give it all.
The last website that I am going to discuss is sapnaonline.com. This website provides different books, but they only provide the famous books. So if you are finding for something which is not famous, then you might not find it on this website. So yes, you can try this website also. It has academic, fiction, non-fiction, kids, children, everything. I have gone through the website. It is a good website. I'll let you know if someone orders from this website. So yes, overall this were the basic Indian website that provides books at reasonable rates. Books in the sense non-fiction, fiction and children books which we are usually used to reading it. So you can order from these things. If you are ordering, then do comment below and tell me that what you have ordered and from which website and how was it, so that I would understand that I should order it from or not. I have tried kitabe.com. I'm going to try the 99 books card thing, and if I'm ever going to do anything else, then obviously I'll post a video about the book haul that I'm doing it. So yes, this was it. Next video would be about my mystery box that I received from kitabe.com. I'm going to discuss about all the books that I have received from the website, and that will give you an idea about whether you can order from it or not. You can specifically order the mystery box or not. And yes, do subscribe to my channel, do like this video, click on the notification so that you can get all the notification on time. And yes, do let me know in the comments below that you like this thing or not. And I have shared all the website links which I have discussed in the description below. So I hope this would be helpful to you. Thank you.
Anywhere you go.